Hello, I'm Jonathan Mintz, a partner with Matsen, Voorhees, Mintz. Today I'm going to speak briefly about estate planning, more specifically, several reasons why you should do or update your estate plan. The definition of estate planning is controlling your property while you are alive and well, taking care of you if you become disabled, and passing your wealth, both financial and non-financial, to whom you want, when you want, the way you want, all while minimizing taxes and costs. As this definition reflects, estate planning is much more than planning for your death. And if done properly, it is a loving process that can instill values for generations to come. We've created a flyer available via download from our website that discusses these 8 reasons in greater detail. But let me first list them for you briefly. First is the orderly disposition of your financial and financial wealth, meaning you decide, not your state legislature, who gets your property and when. The non-financial wealth component means utilizing your estate plan to pass values like hard work, religion, and the importance of an advanced education. Second is bloodline protection, meaning ensuring that your hard-earned assets stay in your family and don't end up in the hands of an ex-son-in-law or ex-daughter-in-law. Third is disability planning. Statistics tell us that everyone will suffer from at least a temporary disability sometime during their lifetime. And only through proper estate planning can you ensure that your assets are available to take care of you as you direct if you become disabled. Fourth is the naming of guardians for minor children. If you don't have a will that names who will care for your minor children if you are unable to do so yourself, a stranger, in other words, a judge, will decide who will raise your children. Fifth is protecting your beneficiaries from creditors or even themselves. For example, if they spend everything or have a drug or alcohol addiction. Your estate plan can protect your heirs from creditors and themselves, but not if you distribute your property outright. Sixth is protecting special needs beneficiaries. A loved one with special needs requires very specialized planning to supplement their care without jeopardizing government benefits. And this can only be accomplished through a special needs trust. Seventh is avoiding the public probate process. Probate has been described as a lawsuit you file against yourself for the benefit of your creditors. It is a very public process. Your assets are listed for everyone to see, and sadly, there are people who comb this information to prey on beneficiaries, knowing exactly what they will receive and when. In some states like California, probate fees can be very expensive. Also, a will mandates that you go through this process, which is why we recommend a revocable living trust rather than a will as the centerpiece of your estate plan. The last reason to do or review your estate plan is to ensure that you pay the minimum amount of tax possible. Many existing estate plans are drafted to minimize estate tax, but the estate tax is no longer relevant for many Americans. Unfortunately, this is at the expense of increasing income tax for beneficiaries, which is important to everyone. We believe that your estate plan should minimize all tax, not just the estate tax. Again, I encourage you to download the 8 Reasons flyer, and further, to have us create or review your existing estate plan to ensure that it accomplishes all of these objectives for you and your loved ones. Thank you for listening, and please feel free to contact us at the number on the screen.